Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list and I will do it using the dialer. So after entering, just tap on the contacts. Of course here we've got the list of contacts which we've got currently saved. So find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. And as you can see, here all we have to do is to simply tap on this edit icon, or we can tap on this circle with the camera icon right in the middle. So it is also active. You do not have to go to proper option using edit option. And as you can see, here we've got, let's say, this pop-up window to add the profile picture for this contact. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we've got the gallery, and here we've got obviously our own photos, for example, taken or downloaded. Here we've got the camera, and I highly recommend to use this option if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo, because obviously your device will open the camera up. Here we've got also the AR emojis and the stickers. It's really up to you, but I will personally pick the gallery. Of course, give all the permissions your device needs, and here we have to simply find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the position of this square with the circle inside of it. We can change its size, yes, its size, just in order to make it perfect, because this is the area which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So position it just like you want to, make sure that you like it, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save. And the photo has been applied successfully, so it will be visible on our contact list and probably during some texting or something. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.